is a little baby chick inside after 3 weeks, and then you can hear beep, 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 beep like that, and they start with their beak, they start breaking the eggshell, and it breaks like kinda, you know, and it comes out, and it's a little chick like that. And Lord, the moment they come out, they start walking. This minute, and go. Go. Get out of here before I break the egg on your forehead. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm right here. I'm safe where I am. Look at the moon.
Yeah, it's really bright. All right, come back inside.
No. Go. Pick up your stuff, pack up, and go. Point to the mailbox. Why is the thing so... Keep going. I come whenever I want to come. Keep going now. If I wasn't inside the house, I would throw you the egg. Because that's what you deserve.
Yeah, I laid a rotten egg.
You nasty and mean. Get out. Get out. Out. I'm not coming to the grocery store. Go, go, go. I gotta go to bed. I have spray upstairs. Come on, go. Turn the light off. You know, I was telling the most sweet, nice story and you interrupted. Get out. Get out. I was gonna say, the moment these little ones come out, they just run. Okay, bye. Go. Go, go, go. Go.
Don't upset me or I might do something.
You know what? Get out. I don't like you. I don't like you.